Section 141. Unlawful assembly. When 5 or more people gather for the common purpose of doing something illegal or threatening, the assembly is considered unlawful if its common goal is, number 1, terrify the government or public servants, bullying the federal or provincial government, legislature, or any public servant through criminal force or the threat of such force. Number 2, resisting legal actions, opposing the execution of any law or legal process. Number 3, committing crimes, planning to commit mischief, criminal trespass, or any other offense. Number 4, taking or enforcing rights by force, using criminal force or the threat of force to take possession of property, enforce a right, or deprive someone of their legal right. Number 5, compelling actions by force, forcing someone to do something they are not legally required to do, or preventing them from doing something they are legally allowed to do, by using or threatening criminal force. For example, 5 people come together to block a road, using force to prevent others from passing through, in an attempt to claim ownership of the land. This group forms an unlawful assembly because their aim is to enforce a supposed right by using or threatening criminal force, which is against the law.